Alright, stop. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Everyone between Hooker here. And today I am doing a review on the Purple Power Cleaner Degreaser. This stuff is freaking awesome. I don't know what else I can tell you about it. I use it on everything. As you can see, I have a crap ton of vehicles. You know, everything from the Bronco, motorcycles. And then we got the Toyota Supra here that I'm cleaning today. And I'm telling you, my Supra has been sitting for probably 10 years now. Has all this mold growing on the side, and I'm just spraying this stuff off, and you can just see all that organic matter turning orange and coming off the sides. Like, this stuff is incredible. You want to spray it on. I mean, honestly, if you're a mechanic, you're fine, but try not to get it on your hands. Wear some gloves if you can, if you're not a mechanic, or you know, you want to keep your hands nice and clean, or because it has a slight stinging sensation. I can only imagine what acid that is that gets the, you know, degreaser off, and it kills organic stuff. So I'm wondering if it's sodium hydroxide or something like that. But yeah, this stuff is awesome. You can spray it on pretty much anything. But yeah, you see all that stuff just turning orange and dying. Like, look at that, because there's organic matter here, so whatever's on here is just gonna die. And just like that, Power Purple did its job. Look how clean that engine bay looks compared to what it just did. Like, look at that. I definitely recommend it, guys. If you enjoyed this review, definitely slap that like button. If I just put you onto a new product that you may have never tried before, definitely hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned for more awesome reviews here in the future. This is Hooker, signing out. Later, y'all.